Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences, and every answer should be different from the previous one. Okay, let's start with you. What's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is night because basically I am working as a freelancer. That's why I prefer to work in the nights due to the timing issues, timing difference with other countries.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. What do you usually do when you go to bed late?
Usually, when I go to my bed at late night, I prefer to use phones to check my emails and WhatsApp messages because, as per my work requirement, I need to reply my emails as soon as possible.
All right. Do you enjoy the morning life or the night life?
Yes, I love the nightlife because I get up late in the morning and have some lunch, and after that I start my work. And at night I prefer to sleep, and that's why I believe that night is good for me.
Okay. Is there any time of the day when you feel lazy or lethargic?
Yes, most of the time when I get up early in the morning, I feel lazy because this is opposite to my daily routine. That's why I try to get up late in the morning.
Okay, that's good. So try to connect your answer with the question. In
Okay.
some of your answers, you went away from the question. So connectivity of question and conclusion of your answer should once again link your answer to the main question.
Okay.
Right? That's what you need to do. Okay, now let's go on. It's your turn. Do you miss your school life?
Yes, I miss my school life because when I was in my school, uh, I play with my friends.
I used to
I
play.
used to play with my friends. Uh, I I used to participate in different activities in my school, which not available in right,
Which are not available now.
which are not available
So
right now.
I miss my
So I miss
school
my school
life.
life.
Who was your favorite teacher at school?
My favorite teacher in my school was my art teacher because I love to drawing, and
I love drawing.
I love drawing, and the teacher was the teacher of my uh, art of school was very experienced. Uh, they teach us in a very good way.
Yeah, he taught
Yeah,
us. He taught us, or
and
his teaching style was amazing.
amazing.
Yeah. So you need to connect all these ideas into one sentence, and it should be given together. Now let's go on. Uh, okay. What was your? Okay, you've already answered that. Let's just go on. I changed the topic for you. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black because it suits me according to my personality, according to my color, and
According to my complexion.
according to my complexion. And it's a very good casual color. You
Okay.
can wear it any.
Good. Do you like the same colors in summer and in winter?
Uh, no, I actually prefer different colors because the clothes in winters have different colors because of warm clothes have a darker color, and in summers I prefer to wear light colors, and
Okay, this
because
is good. You know, this means you're thinking, you're taking time to think, and all that. So try to practice all these topics, and answers should be readily available in your mind. Once the answers are readily available, you can speak comfortably. Okay, so for you, practice all these topics, right? Thank you.